The option out of special hour error on DoorDash occurs when you try to schedule an action outside your store's defined special hours. Special hours are exceptions to your regular operating times, usually for holidays or temporary closures. DoorDash's system validates your schedule against your store's profile via APIs. If there's a mismatch, like attempting delivery at 11 p.m. when special hours close at 10 p.m., the error prevents operational issues. Common causes include manual entry errors when setting hours, time zone discrepancies since DoorDash uses UTC internally, or forgetting to update hours after changes. The system prioritizes accuracy to maintain service quality and prevent wasted deliveries, which improves customer experience and prevents reputational damage. To fix the option out of special hour error, start by logging into the DoorDash merchant portal. Navigate to Store Settings, then the Hours tab. Carefully review and edit your special hours, ensuring they accurately reflect when your store is open and closed for specific activities. Save your changes and resubmit the option that triggered the error. If you're using the mobile app, clear the cache and make sure your device's time is synced correctly. To prevent this error, use the Bulk Hours Update tool for multiple days and enable notifications for hour conflicts. Make sure your device is synced. This reduces the risk of manual errors and time zone discrepancies. Consider training for staff. Also, keep in mind the rise of AI automation, which will eventually handle all of the hour conflicts, which would eliminate manual fixes. This is estimated to be by 2027.